let's read and spell the word. A robot. R-O-B-O-T. Robot. A toy. Toy. T-O-Y. Toy. New. New. N-E-W. New. Old. Old. O-L-D. Old. Let's listen to the story. Kelly is tidying her bedroom. Mrs. Lau picks up an old xylophone from Kelly's toy box. "Do you play with this toy?" asks Mrs. Lau. "No, let's give it to Tony," says Kelly. Tony likes the xylophone. He plays with it at once. "Look at my old bear. It is broken. Shall we throw it away?" says Kelly. "No, we can use it to make a new toy," says Mrs. Lau. "I have a new doll, but I like my old doll better," says Kelly. "Let's keep the new doll in the box. We may give it to someone else," says Mrs. Lau. "Good idea. I have a robot, but I never play with it. Do you think Mike would like a robot?" says Kelly. "I think Mike would love a robot," says Mrs. Lau. Let's listen.
Please recite